I'm going to show you how I use my whiteboard to help me to stay organized and productive all day long to get a lot accomplished. This is a video that's purely made for ambitious, determined people. Earlier, I was thinking about the fact that I always do my videos on the other side, so you never really see what I'm looking at when I'm looking in the camera in the other videos. So I have my whiteboard, and if you want this size, I'll have the link to it in the description that you can check out. And so this is how I make sure I get a lot done every day. Okay, so I'm gonna make the list real quick for everything I wanna do. Okay, so I have my list. This is everything that I really wanna get done today. Okay, so one of the reasons why I'm gonna be motivated to do these is because I gamify my day. So I basically play a game with myself. I go however many things I accomplish, each time I'm winning the game. So think of like Super Mario. Every time you complete a level, what happens? You succeed, right? So it's like the same thing. I'm very ambitious. I wanna get a lot of stuff done. Stuff that's like worthwhile, right? Stuff that's purposeful. So that's why I am determined to get as much of this done as possible. Now, the same thing I could do on a checklist, and then I do that a lot of times, but I decided that, I don't know why, like I just kind of go back and forth. Sometimes I use the whiteboard, sometimes I use a checklist, and then other times I just write stuff that I need, like my main things I want to do in my planner, in my calendar. So I just want to make something clear. It's about 1 o'clock right now, and I have already done this. I'm doing this right now. I'm not going to cross it off till it's done. This one is my worst favorite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an H by this one, and I'm going to put an H by this one, which means high priority. H is high priority, M is medium priority, and then I have L for low priority. So this one is my top priority right now, followed by this, followed by this. Okay, so let me go and also like put down what else is top priority real quick. So my H's are done. I'm being very careful, even though I would love to do everything and be done by about 6 o'clock so then I could enjoy the rest of my evening. I am being very careful and really being honest with myself about which ones are the high priorities, and they are these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what I could do? I can even erase this. That way it's out of the way. I don't have to look at it. I don't have to think about it. Okay, so then what I could do is mark my mediums. So now that the mediums are done, the low priority will be this one. And the reason that's a low priority is because I already released an article this morning. So that's why I'm like, well, doing a second one is not really all that necessary today. I need to make sure, as much as I love doing this, I love writing, I do need to give attention to the high priorities first. So that's why it helps to have a visual. And like I said, guys, it's time for me to like knock these out, to focus and get as many of these high priorities done as possible. One thing I want to tell you is sometimes people say that they make a list and it looks great, but then they don't actually work on the stuff that they need to work on. So I think there's a couple of reasons for that. Number one, it's probably because tasks that are boring, tasks that are not motivating for you, but you know what? If you have to do them, you have to do them. For example, the bookkeeping. You think I like to do bookkeeping? It's boring, it's not motivating at all. But you know what? One of my values is to be very organized with my finances. I do not want any problems whatsoever with money, with the IRS or anything like that. So guess what? I have to do this. It's a high priority. Once a month, I look at my receipts, my income, and I do my monthly bookkeeping. So yes, as horrible of a task as this may be, I still have to do it because it's being responsible. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, if there's purpose to what you're doing, then you can actually get it done. And the other thing is, the things that I don't like doing, I usually make them high priority. The things that are boring, I try to make them high priority just to get them done and out of the way so I don't have to think about them the rest of the day. And then my only other recommendation is, why don't you get somebody, like another person that you work with? If you have a lot to do, that person has a lot to do, why don't you guys both do this, okay? They can come up with their list, you come up with your list, And then maybe you could say, okay, we are both going to have 5 high priority things that we both want to work on, and then hold each other accountable. Go, 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 go. And then like you just keep pushing each other to get them done. That might be an idea, a strategy if you do find yourself kind of like unmotivated to get started with stuff. All right, that's all I have for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.